Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see a very good news to the undergraduates as well as the postgraduates. Why? Because here the multiple vacancies recruitments are announced in one of the Indian Institute of Technology. And so please go through this video until the end to get the complete details, all the different recruitment notifications. And with graduation as well as a post-graduation with little bit experience, you can again up to 1,42,400 rupees per month as per the level 7. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is recruitment notifications or the career opportunities from Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. Okay, and here you may check down the multiple vacancies are there. So temporary trained graduate teacher in science department, and the registrar, and technical superintendent in the area of civil engineering, and technical superintendent in the area of civil engineering computational laboratory as well as mechanical, and civil, and temporary primary teacher music, and technical superintendent in the hydraulic and ocean engineering, and the deputy registrar, and the post of technical superintendent in the area of electrical engineering as well as the electronics, software, civil, and the temporary primary teacher in drawing, and the temporary trained graduate teacher in Hindi, as well as executive assistant at the placement office. Fine. So first we will say the general vacancies. General vacancies means register, deputy register, and executive assistant at the placement office. Okay, why? Because these are irrespective of the specializations might be there. So first we will check the register. So click on that one, and then you will be directed to the recruitment details regarding this register. Fine. Yeah, so it will open up like this, username and password signing. Just click on the cancel, and then you will be directed to the details regarding this one. And coming to the details are given here very clearly. Okay, simple and short. So application ending date is 27th August 2021. Temporary on scale, one position is there. And coming to the qualifications, applicants which of the following essential qualifications and mandatory experience can apply to the post of register. Master's degree with 55% of marks. Okay, with administrative experience of 15 years, out of which 8 years as deputy registrar. Okay, and the pay scale is mentioned. Desirable is degree in management or law or a PhD degree. Okay, and the job profile as well as the payment details are provided here, and the age limit is 55 years, and few general information is given. The selection process will be based upon the interview. Fine. So you please check down the remaining details, guys. And coming to the next position, that is the deputy registrar. So click on that one, and then you will be directed to the details regarding this one. And in this deputy register, it is a type of employment is permanent, and the two vacancies are there. One for OBC and one for unreserved category, and master's degree in relevant discipline with 55% of marks. Okay, with relevant experience of 5 years as assistant registrar or else in a post at pay level 10. Okay, and desirable qualifications are given here. You may check down, and the pay details as well as the age limit. Okay, everything is given here. Right. So these are the qualifications regarding the deputy registrar. And coming to the executive assistant at the placement officer. So coming to the qualifications of this one. Yeah. So you may check down. Type of employment is temporary consolidated. One vacancy is there. And coming to the qualification, master's degree in HR or personal management with 2 years of relevant experience, or bachelor's degree in appropriate discipline with 4 years of relevant experience after the degree. Right. And here the few more points are given here. The pay details you may check down. Okay, in addition to the payment out of campus, the allowance also will be provided, and the contract period 3 years, and the age limit is 32 years. Right. So these are the conditions, guys. So these are the general recruitment vacancies, and while coming to the individual one, we will check temporary trained graduate at science department. So in this one, For all applications, the closing date is 27th August 2000 only. 2021. And the essential qualification for this one, bachelor's degree from recognized university in physics with 50% of marks in aggregate and a B.Ed or equivalent degree from recognized university or 4 years of integrated degree course. Okay, and pass in CTET or the Maharashtra teacher eligibility test. The desirable is master's degree in the physics subject. Okay, if you're having master's degree in physics subject, then it will be the most preferable one. And the payment details 57,600 rupees, and the campus allowance also provide 5,000 rupees per month. Age limit is the 32 years. Okay, so these are the qualification required for this one. And coming to the civil engineering, so I will just show you only one thing here, and for the remaining civil engineering department you may check down. So it is a one position of technical superintendent in the civil engineering. So for the technical positions, the qualification required is applicants with either following sets, that is BTech or BE or an equivalent degree in civil engineering or mechanical engineering or in an appropriate discipline with experience of 1 year after the degree in civil or geotechnical engineering, or 3 years diploma in civil or mechanical or an appropriate discipline with an experience of 6 years. Fine. So these are the job profiles as well as the payment details are given here. So 1,42,400 rupees per month. Fine. So similarly, you may check down that for civil, mechanical, as well as, okay, coming to the electronics engineering. So click on that one. And for this electronics engineering, here the qualification required is, yeah. So BTech or BE in electronics or electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation, industrial electronics or electrical and electronics engineering or equivalent with relevant experience of 1 year after the degree, or 3 years diploma in electronics or electronics and telecommunication and all these things. And the desirable qualification are mentioned here. Experience in handling the managing of UG and PG labs in the electronics. And here the few desirable qualifications are also mentioned here. So you may check down, and the payment details also here given. So pay level 6, and then it will be promoted to the pay level 7, right? So initial appointment on 3 years, pay level 6, and then you will be promoted to the pay level 7. And in the level 7, you are going to get up to 1,42,400 rupees per month will be getting, right? And like that, you may check down the few more things also. So for example, while coming to the software engineering, so click on that one. And then you will be directed to the educational qualifications and the remaining details regarding this one. So one vacancy is there. So in this one, BTech or BE or MSc or MCE, an equivalent degree in any discipline with experience of 1 year after the qualifying degree in the area of user interface design and creating database structures. Okay, analyzing the user requirements to formulate application design. So these are the things mentioned here. So you may check down, and the job profile is also mentioned, right? So coming to the essential qualification in this one. So an equivalent degree in any discipline. Okay, BTech or BE or MSc or MCA in any discipline, you can apply for this one with 1 year of experience after the qualifying degree must be there. Okay, so like that, you please check down all the remaining details, whatever the vacancies mentioned here. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.